If you only learn how to grow tomatoes or lettuce, you are still on your way to learning more, right? That's the beginning. You're on a journey. And you are also becoming less dependent on outside food sources. The more people we have who have this knowledge, the better our society will be. Homesteading has a lot to do with learning how to produce more than you consume. But if you're not able to produce your own food, you can at least be a part of the solution by starting somewhere. Growing food doesn't have to be complicated, so don't make it complicated. Plants want to grow. Seeds want to grow. It's up to you to learn how to provide the best conditions for growth. But that doesn't have to be complicated either. Get your hands in the dirt, literally, and learn how to grow things.